Open the hood of the BMW F8 to M4 to begin the major service. Use compressed air to blow away loose dust and debris from the engine bay. Place protective covers over the fenders and front bumper to prevent scratches. Remove the rubber weather stripping and plastic cowl covers near the windshield. Unbolt and remove the carbon fiber strut brace and the M-Power engine cover. Open the air filter housing and remove the old engine air filter. Remove the metal strut braces and disconnect the charge pipes to access the engine block. Blow compressed air around the ignition coils to prevent dirt from falling into the cylinders. Carefully disconnect the wiring harnesses and pull out the ignition coils. Extract the old spark plugs and prepare the new, genuine BMW spark plugs for installation. Install the new spark plugs and carefully tighten them to the proper torque specifications. Reinsert the ignition coils and securely reconnect all wiring harnesses. Reinstall the charge pipes and ensure all clamps are securely tightened. Place the new engine air filter into the housing and secure the cover. Spray parts cleaner around the oil filter housing to clean the area. Then loosen the oil filter cap. Lift the vehicle. Remove the engine oil drain plug and drain the old engine oil. Disconnect the fuel lines and remove the old, dirty fuel filter from the underbody. Transfer the mounting bracket to the new fuel filter. Install the new fuel filter and reconnect the quick disconnect fuel lines. Reinstall the engine oil drain plug. Clean the area with parts cleaner and mark the bolts with a paint pen. Loosen the transmission or oil pan bolts to drain the old transmission fluid. Remove the old transmission fluid filter cartridge from its housing. Remove the transmission or oil pan entirely and wipe down the mechatronics unit and filter housing. Compare the dirty filter with the new one. Then install the new transmission filter cartridge. Prepare the new transmission or oil pan, which includes an integrated filter, and lift it into place. Install the new POM bolts and tighten them following the manufacturer's specific torque sequence chart. Clean the exterior of the new transmission pan with parts cleaner. Lower the car and pour new BMW twin power turbo engine oil into the engine using a funnel. Remove the old oil filter from the cap housing, replace the rubber O-rings, and attach the new filter. Extract old oil from the engine housing, install the new filter assembly, and tighten the cap. Fill a fluid pump with new transmission fluid and pump it into the transmission fill ports under the car. Connect a pressure bleeder to the brake fluid reservoir. Attach a catch bottle to the brake calipers to bleed the old fluid. Close the bleeder valve on the caliper, spray it with brake cleaner, and dry the area. Remove the rear differential drain plug and let the old gear all drain completely. Use a syringe to pump new fluid into the differential until full. Install the plug and mark it with a paint pen. Reinstall all plastic underbody aerodynamic shields. Bleed the cooling system and top up the engine coolant. Use an impact wrench to remove the lug bolts and take off the wheels. Demount the old tire. Remove the old wheel weights and use a buffing tool to clean the adhesive residue from the rim barrel. Thoroughly wash the inside barrel and the face of the wheel using brushes and wheel cleaner. Unwrap the new tires and place the clean wheel onto the tire mounting machine. Mount the new tire onto the rim in the automated arms and rollers of the tire machine. Move the wheel to the balancing machine. Spin the wheel and apply stick-on weights to the inner barrel until perfectly balanced. Use a wire brush to clean rust from the wheel hub. Apply copper anti-seize paste to prevent the wheel from sticking. Mount the wheel back onto the car. Hand thread the bolts, then tighten them to specification using a torque wrench. Perform a comprehensive four-wheel alignment using laser alignment sensors. Reinstall the plastic cowl covers, weather stripping, and the engine cover in the engine bay. Reinstall the carbon fiber strut brace. Perform a final wipe down of the engine bay. and close the hood.